This is pregame. Falcons outside their locker room. Looks like everybody's ready. We're about half an hour until game time. Hi, have you ever heard of LebanonSportsBuzz.com?
No, I have not.
You've never heard of LebanonSportsBuzz.com?
No.
Okay, this is about the sights and sounds of the Cedar Bowl. We are underneath Lebanon Alumni Stadium, and it's a great place to get food and a great place for kids to hang out. About 20 minutes before the game.
To her great-grandson, Joshua Bartle, the first grandchild graduate of Lebanon or Cedar Crest, the official family Cedar Bowl game coin. There you go, guys.
Pretty cool. Good job. Guys, do I have to ask you who's going to win? I don't even have to ask you that? Huh? Is that a silly question?
He wants to know who you're rooting for. Who's going to win?
Who's going to win? I know, the team with the most points, right? Good job, guys. Thank you. This is a rare look inside the press box here at Lebanon Alumni Stadium. Always have good food here. There's Dave Eisenhower from WLBR, getting ready. These are the people behind the scenes. Special guest appearance by Kevin Freeman, Pat Huggins. It's a full house as usual here. Lebanon Alumni Stadium on Cedar Bowl Friday. Expecting a red out tonight on the Cedar side. Stands haven't filled up yet, but should soon. Look at the Falcons. Cedar's first team out. 78 strong this year for the Falcons.
Lebanon won the toss. Right? Everybody agrees on that? You're going to be thorough. Go ahead. You see down there. Is that correct? All right, so you guys turn here. You guys turn your back there. Here you go. That's good. You all set? Okay, Lebanon kick off. Kick off. Okay, shake it.
And all proceeds will be returned to our exclusive club. If you'd like to win the official Cedar Bowl game coin.
You just keep scrapping. You just keep scrapping. Sometime this year we're going to find ourselves in their position where we're down. Hopefully you learn from what they did. You just keep playing. You get a big play, you get a fumble, something changes, and you capitalize on it. All right? Again, that's all we got to do. We fight every play. We try to get better every week. We're 1-0. Enjoy it until I see you guys on Monday. And then listen, the journey doesn't end here. The journey doesn't end here. I'm happy as heck, but I'm not satisfied. And you shouldn't be either. Our goal wasn't to beat Lebanon this year. I'm glad it happened. Our goal is still our goal. What is it? District playoffs. District playoffs. We need more than just one to get there. All right? We need more than just one to get there. Make sure you keep that in mind. Very happy with you guys and the way you fought. Practice on Monday. 8 o'clock in the morning till 9:30, I'll have you out. Okay? We're gonna watch film. We're gonna talk about Lower Dolphin. I'll have you out at 9:30 and get any pictures you gotta get to. 8 to 9:30. Okay, that's our practice. I'll tell the coaches we gotta keep it sharp. If you are banged up, see one of the trainers. They're in tomorrow at 8:30. Chris, you here? I know that's right. 8:30 tomorrow morning, Saturday. If you want to go into the field house or down there, you're gonna be there. If you wake up tomorrow, you don't think you're okay now, but you wake up tomorrow, man, you're banged up. Go in and see them. Okay? Go in and see them. Don't go to some trainer or some sort of doctor. Go see the trainers. 8:30 tomorrow morning. Uniforms when you get back on the bucket. Listen, again, I get a phone call tonight or tomorrow morning about somebody did something at a party or whatever tonight. It ruins this moment. Don't ruin this moment for us. It takes all of us to make good decisions. It's our coaches included. Okay? We're all in this together. We're 1-0. I'm super proud of you guys because of how you played the game and the fact that you kept fighting. I'm not happy about the penalties. Holy moly. We did look like Miami after that. Shit, that's my fault. Here we go. Bring it. Let's go.
Yeah.